Mothers Uniting, a group from Augustown who have lost children by violent means, are speaking out tonight with the aim of helping parents in similar situations to heal. The mothers, most of whom have said their children were involved in criminal activities, say that does not diminish the pain they feel for the loss of their children. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
These are just some of the faces of victims killed in violent attacks. Marlon McKenzie, Ecardo Hillary, Richard Ball, Damian Ball, Carlton Cameron, Sharice Martin, Omar Bazevido, Jerome Edwards, and Dwight Picton. All but two are from Augustown. For their mothers represented here, recounting the circumstances under which their children were gunned down years later, still feels like yesterday.
We expect this to happen because, all of you are grieving, and we understand that. To have lost children or a child by violent means is not an easy thing.
Gloria Pickersgill's son, Ecardo Hillary, was killed at Skyline Plaza on Gordontown Road in Pepin. She is still in denial.
To tell her the truth, there is no day, no night, no morning, no evening that me not see my son walk through my gate. But just I tell myself, say, him not dead. That is my belief.
Today, Jasmine Powell marks the spot where her son Marlon McKenzie was gunned down. This November will make it 6 years since he was killed in Brycey Lane, Augustown. She admits her son was no angel, but said that he cared for her and showed her respect. Miss Powell says her son had actually confronted a man he attempted to kill more than once and did something unusual.
He told me, the young man, he told me that my son, when my son came, my son actually apologized to him, give him a written apology. And him said to me, him only sorry, him never keep it.
His death has left her feeling empty, the kind of feeling she hopes no other mother will experience.
I just wonder if my son ever make any other mother feel like, oh, me feel, I am feeling.
In the year 2000, Beverly Allen's son, Carlton Cameron, was shot while attending a stage show at a popular spot in Augustown. From her account, it appears her son was shot accidentally.
You know, when you draw a music, like a music command, yeah, and them are go sit, yeah. I hear that the gun itching at the person, Marina, and them a try to take out the gun from out of the mesh Marina, and the elbow, the person elbow, lick on the sound box, and she and carry off the gun. The gun lick, go through her next youth head, and then like fly out and just go lodge straight in my son's head.
Gwendolyn Davis lost two sons to violence in Augustown. Richard Ball, who was killed 11 years ago, and his brother Damian Ball was killed almost a year ago.
I'm just meeting the man and I go work and just kill him now.
Where that happened? Where it happened?
Princess Alice jail.
Jerome Vidal's son and daughter were murdered years apart. Her son was killed in Goldsmith Villa in earshot of her hairdressing parlor in Hermitage. Miss Vidal was combing a customer's hair, heard explosions, and somehow knew it was her son Jerome Edwards that had been murdered.
And I grabbed the man, it was a gentleman here I was doing. And I just started to fight him. I started to beat him up and said to him, said, that's my son. And him said to me, said, oh, you know he's the son. And I said, yes, he's my son. Same way like when I give him birth. That's the pain I feel down here.
Then in 2017, Miss Vidal's daughter, Sharice Martin, was gunned down in Montego Bay. Miss Martin had her son with her.
And I always tell God and say, Lord, I don't want to lose my children. Like I was hearing you talking. I said, I don't know if I could live.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.